right over there is Cinderella's castle. We are going to go over to Magic Kingdom because last night they did a little sneak peek of the new parade. So tonight we're gonna go over because we caught wind that they might be doing it again. And we want to see it as much as possible. So we're gonna head over from the Grand Floridian, take the monorail over, and hopefully catch this. If not, this vlog probably won't see the light of day because I don't know what else we're gonna do. We noshed at the club level, so I'll show you that on the way out. But otherwise, let's do this. As soon as we walked in, they had tape on the ground. They had the ropes up for like parades. So we are catching a seat. This thing is really acting like funny. We are catching a seat and we are going to just check it out from this angle. So cute. Can I grab one?
Brand new, so
they're fun.
ready for Starlight.
Oh yeah, more things for to hit us with. Thanks, girls. They're really cute. Thank you too. Oh wait, how much are they?
They're going to be 40.
40. Do you get an annual pass discount on them?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Yes,
Disney Starlight Parade begins in just 10
we left
minutes.
at 5. My flight took off at 5. Hers.
So they're doing a little crowd excitement, but this place is pretty much packed.
To fully immerse you in the experience, riding around the Magic Kingdom will be of use. And the safety of those around you, we ask that you remain.
Sounds like the Electrical Parade!
All your wishes may come true. Wishing upon a star right now? Are you? Oh, go on, make a wish. I wish. Oh, I just want all our wishes to have a chance to come true. Whoa!
then maybe they'll be able to fly too.
So cute. Very nice. I don't know what any of it is, but
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream.
I am like completely unfiltered right now. I need to go to bed. So if you made it this long in the vlog, thank you so much. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and do all the things. And I don't know what we're doing on this trip, but you'll just have to watch to find out.